today's video I'll be showing you how to make a lovely blueberry muffin, and here are a list of ingredients. I have some baking powder, milk, I have salt, vanilla, some blueberry, we have sugar, you can use butter or baking fat, we have our flour here already sieved, we have a lemon, and we have a zester here. So I'll take you through the process. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to get our flour, and I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder in this. Grab yourself a whisk, and we're going to combine that together. So we had our baking powder in the flour. Next up, we're going to add a bit of salt for a bit of contrast. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to grab a bowl. We're going to put our butter in, or baking fat, whatever you have. Go ahead and use it. If you're new here, my name is Lyndon Houston, and welcome to the channel. Next up, we're going to add our sugar over the butter. At this point, I'm going to use my hand whisk. So we're going to mix until it's smooth and fluffy. So now we're going to add our eggs in. So in this I'll be putting 2 eggs. At this point I'll be adding my flour in. So what I'll be doing, I'm using my spatula and just to fold this in. So next up, I'll be adding the vanilla, and I'm going to pour in the milk in this. I'll put the recipe in the description. What I'm doing here, I'm using the hand mixer to combine this. You notice I'm just rotating the bowl also with it, just to help the mixing process. So I'll be adding the zest of some lemon in this. You can use lime or lemon, whatever you want. Blueberry, lemon and lime always go well together. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to get another container, and I'm going to put my blueberry in. Just going to put a teaspoon of flour over this, and then we're just going to toss them just that they keep afloat. Next up, I'm going to pour blueberry over, and I'm just going to use a spatula to combine all of this together. So these are going to be full muffin. So our muffin is ready. So these are ready to go in the oven now.